Seeds and seed starting supplies at Home Depot. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Again, it's springtime. It's that time of the year where we talk about seeds, we talk about planting, starting the garden. And I'm here at Home Depot and they have quite a lot of stuff out already. And I'm just gonna take you guys through some of the stuff that they have out here and show you what they have out here. So over here we have seeds. These are back to root seeds over here at the front, and you can see they have a huge selection of seeds. Usually at the beginning of the season like this, you get that selection, you get a huge selection like this. Then very soon it starts dying down as people keep picking on it and grabbing it. So over there, then over here you have burpee seeds, and the burpee seeds, they give you a little bit of a guide over here on how to sow their seeds and stuff like that. And over here we have the organic burpee seeds, and these ones you can see they have vegetables, they have tomatoes, cucumbers, and a lot of different vegetables over here that you can buy the organic seeds and plant and be able to start your garden with. So some of these things you can, if you intend to start your garden, you want to make sure that you have the right timing for them. So especially things like peppers, you want to try to start them indoors early enough, so that way by the time it's the frost is over outside, at least you have some good seedlings of pepper that you can transplant into your garden or into your greenhouse. But if you're just starting out and you need help with gardening or gardening tips, check out my channel 77's Garden on YouTube, or my website 7savings.com for a lot of gardening tips. I have a lot of gardening videos and posts and blog posts on gardening and various ways to start your garden. So check those out. So you can see they have a lot of different seeds. There over here you have some herbs, flavorful herbs like cilantro, dill, radish down here. You have lavender, basil. So they have a good selection of herbs and vegetables. Then you also have flowers too. So if you intend to plant flowers, they have also a good selection of flowers, and they also give you different variety of them at different prices. So so some of the other ones that they have over here, you have the blooming flowers on this end over here, beautiful container flowers, flowers that you can grow in containers, as well as grow them in ground in your garden bed. And over here you have another selection, different variety of flowers over here, and up here same thing. All of these are just flowers that you can buy and plant in your garden. On this side is Fairy Moss. Fairy Moss is a different company that also sells seeds. And so Fairy Moss over here, they have Fairy Moss flower seeds on this end of the train right here, and they have good selection of flower seeds. And then you have vegetables like beans and herbs, and also a good selection of different herbs and different vegetables that you can get here to be able to plant in your garden. So they are, these are the main companies that usually have a lot of seeds and sell a lot of seeds to big box stores like Home Depot, Lowe's, and Walmart. So burpee seeds and fairy moss, back to root, and Pennington seeds. Those are the, I think, the top four main suppliers of these seeds. I know there are a few other smaller suppliers, but those are the main ones that supply a lot of seeds for them. And usually the seeds are good. I usually try to save my seeds, and I buy maybe like 5% of my seeds, because every year I save. I try to save as much of my seeds as possible, so I don't have to buy new seeds. So sometimes I just come out here looking for special seedlings and special seeds that I don't have, like these ones right here. I have a variety of okra, but it's not this. If you like the video so far, please smash the like button, leave a comment below, share the video. And over here they have seed starting supplies. They have things that would help you thrive. Back to root, they have some back to root seeds over here with some containers that you can use to start your seeds either indoors or in a greenhouse. They have mini greenhouse kits over here. They have the peat pallets that you can use to start your seeds, and more greenhouse kits over here. So they have similar things that we've seen in, if you watch my previous videos on Lowe's and Walmart, they have same things. See, even the grow lights are the same. The prices are a little bit different here, but same thing. They have the same heat mat over here. Heat mats are great if you're starting seeds indoors, especially seeds that need the heat, like peppers. You want to make sure you put them on a heat mat, or put them where the temperature is consistently above 70 degrees. And then you have this large pot seed trays, and you have the this seed starting system over here. That's a self-sustaining seed starting system. And down here they have the 72 cell tray that you can use. And also in terms of starting your seeds, if you can use recyclable materials like solo cups and yogurt cups and other stuff to start your seeds. You don't have to buy these things, but if you really want to get your stuff going and you don't have all those, you can still buy them. Same with seed starting mix. You can make your own seed starting mix, like these ones over here for pennies. I have a video that shows you how you can make your own seed starting mix, and I've been making my own seed starting mix for more than 10 years now. So check out that video on how you can make your own seed starting mix for pennies on my YouTube channel. Over here they have you have asparagus seeds over here. You have onions, onion sets over here, and they also have other variety down here. You can see they have potatoes if you intend to plant potatoes, and different variety of onions. They have the yellow onions, they have the red onions. So they have different variety of onions, and some of them are already germinating already. You can see some of them are already germinating. You can plant the onions now early. They will be fine. They can deal with a cold temperature right now in March, but they have a variety of onions that you can get and you can plant. Same with potatoes. They have a variety of potato seeds over here, mixture of them. You can see this one is already growing out of the bag. So they have mixture seeds, and they have regular red onion, potatoes, and they have the russet potatoes. So they have a good selection right now. Like I said, always at the beginning of the growing season or the seed season, you always have a good selection, but later on it might be sold out if people are buying it and they don't replenish it fast enough. So they have a good selection of seeds. So also you can also get some of these seeds online. You might be able to go to their site, or you can go to other websites where you can get them online at the same price. I'll see if I can put a link to them in either in my bio or in my description, to link to some of these that you can get online. If you don't want to go to the store, you can also get them online, and they'll ship them to you. So, or you just pick them up at the store. So down here they have strawberries, and they have sweet potatoes down there. You can see they have a huge selection of seeds. On this side over here they have flowers and bulbs and beautiful colors, dahlias and other flowers here that you can plant right now. You can see the color of the flowers, very beautiful colors. So if you love to plant flowers, you love flowers, they have these most of the flower bulbs and the flower roots over here. These ones you just follow the instructions that they have in the back of the package. You can see the instructions in the back of the package. Just follow the instructions. Usually requires you just selecting your location and then dig a hole and bury the roots or the bulbs, and you start getting flowers in no time. So they have a good selection of those two over here. Depending on the variety and the type of flower you're looking for, you might be able to get them now. Home Depot has a huge selection of flowers. They consist of annuals and perennials and even fruit trees. Stay tuned for next video. I'm gonna make a next video on that, because if I continue to make it on this video, the video is gonna be very long. So stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna go through all the flowers that they have and some of the fruit trees that they have. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, smash the like button, leave a comment below, share the video. If you like the video, somebody else might like the video. Follow me or subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Happy growing, everybody.